In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to enable call screening on your Apple iPhone with the latest iOS 26. Let's get started. First, launch your Settings app. Now scroll all the way down and navigate to the option Apps. From the list of apps, find Phone and launch it. Now scroll all the way down, navigate to the section Screen Unknown Callers. By default, calls from unsaved numbers will simply ring and show up as a missed call if unanswered, but with the new call screening feature, your iPhone can actually ask the caller for a reason before the call reaches you. For that, you'll need to check in for the option Ask Reason for Calling. If you don't want to get any calls from unknown numbers, you can check in for the option Silence. This will send them directly to voicemail and list them in your recent calls. Keep in mind that some additional call filtering or spam blocking features may depend on your carrier, so options may vary. Now scroll down, you're gonna find this option of unknown callers. Toggle on for this option. And that's it. This way you can easily enable or use call screening on your iPhone. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.